Today's video is about this Kohler drain for the tub. This thing, when you push it, it's supposed to come out, but it sticks. So I took it apart and I looked for something that's wrong in it, and I haven't found it. So I'm going to take it apart and show you how to put it back together. So what I'm going to do first is unscrew it from the top. Next is this ring. We can get rid of that stuff. So to get this apart, there's a screw, but really all you have to do is untwist this and it threads from there. This is how it works. You push down on it and it has a little bit of that comes back up, but you see how it's, maybe it just needs a new spring. Maybe the spring has sprung. I mean, it feels good to me, but it just needs that little extra push. It's only been like, it's only like a year old, maybe two, but it definitely doesn't work. Anyhow, I'll have a link to where to buy one of these also, because we're gonna have to buy one. So you see it's unscrewing. There we go. These are the pieces. Oh, it comes out the other way. We got that piece in there. Let's look at how it works. This is what makes it go up and down. And then we have this little spring. This could be the one that's worn out. We've got to figure out the function. So that's a lot of little pieces. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and just stretch these springs up just a hair and see if that does anything. We put it back together. This is just to show you how to take it apart, but I'll show you how to put it back together too. If you're putting this back together, the first thing you're going to do is put the spring on top of there. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to take this and it goes right in there. You'll know whether you got it in the right way or not, because it will definitely not work if you do it the wrong way. Then we put this on top of that. We could add that to hold it together. Next, we'll need this plastic side down and this to get it back together. Let me twist it. So I put it back together, and like right now it seems to want to work, but I really just want to order another one. I really just took it apart. Oh, there we go, it's stuck. I pulled that little spring out just a little to see if it, it almost works. The next piece you're gonna put on is this rubber. You're gonna put it on, you don't wanna go too tight with it. You wanna just tighten it down to where it fits right on top of that. And then you're just gonna screw it down so that it's pretty much finger tight. It's still sticking. Here's a new one. I got it on Amazon. Here is a new part for our drain. Came in the mail today. So I'm excited to replace this one. Inside the box, we've got a bag, and this is what it looks like. This is what the new one looks like. It looks just like the old one. I got this part on Amazon, so if you go on Amazon and click on my link, guess what? I'm gonna get paid like 30 cents. The link is in the description. To install this, you just spin it on. And of course that didn't show up in the right direction, but now it works. Up, down, up. There we go. Another project finished.